Hello guys, welcome to this course Hive to Advanced Hive with its real-time implementation. Let me first introduce myself. My name is Jay Garg and I'm currently working as a team lead in a renowned MNC. I have almost 6 years of experience in big data technologies with Hive being the strength. Now talking about what's included in the course, in one word I would say almost everything. This course not only covers basic Hive but most importantly it covers advanced Hive too. Guys, basic Hive you can learn anywhere from the internet, but that Hive is just a trailer of what we actually use in our real-time projects. For example, in real-time projects, we use variables, table properties, custom input formatter, optimized queries, SCDs, etc. These things are widely used. But you won't find the detailed explanation of these advanced Hive concepts in other courses or material available online. Not only these many, but there are a lot of other advanced Hive concepts and commands that are rarely available anywhere, as they are only used in a real production environment. Now through this course I have tried to cover each and every, even thin detail of Hive that I learned from my extensive experience working in Hive projects. This course covers almost all the topics listed in Hive documentation, and each of the topics is explained with a proper hands-on example with a running Hive query on shell. Every concept of Hive is backed by its relevant query. After completion of this course, one thing I can assure you that you won't find any Hive topic left untouched. And in future, you don't have to Google anything about Hive. Also, you will be ready to work in any real-time big data project in your company with full confidence. One more important thing for many of you is interview asked use cases. Generally, folks can answer basic Hive questions in interviews, but they get stuck in Hive use cases. In this course, I have got you covered for this situation also, as at the end of this course, I have included one section of Hive use cases that are generally asked by interviews. Some other benefits of it. In this course, there are some sets of assignments and quizzes for your engagement and self hands-on. And most of the queries which I have explained are attached in the resources tab. I got the top responder tag from Udemy, so any of your questions and queries will be answered so quickly that you will have a feel if you are getting a personal one-to-one training. Wrapping up, I would say that this course is a complete package of learning Hive from scratch to advanced Hive till its real-time implementation plus interview asked use cases. So it contains each and everything that is needed to become a pro Hive developer. So thank you guys for watching this video and I look forward for you to join this course. Thank you everyone. Thanks again.